Hi, I'm Anna, and today I will be being interviewed on the
Tetrix.
Tetrix programming for the grid.
What problem were you trying to solve using the Tetrix robot?
The problem that I was trying to solve with the Tetrix robot was I had to make it go in a grid, which is 4 2 feet by 2 foot by 2 foot squares in one larger square.
Explain how your group solved this problem by explaining your Tetrix programming. If you did not finish your programming, explain what the next steps would be to solve it.
My team solved the problem by programming it to move forward at 45% power for 1 second, and then turning on one wheel for 45% power for 1 second, and then it just keeps going over and over, and then once you get to the end, it makes a square. And that's as far as we got in the programming. It was a very hard problem to solve because there was rotations, and then we didn't know if we could go over other lines, so it could like build a square and then go all the way up and then and stuff like that. And next question.
How did you use patterns to solve the Tetrix robot challenge? How would this transfer to other programmers in their programs? What patterns are in your programming?
The pattern is it moving forward for 1 second, 45% power, and then turning on one wheel for 45% power at 1 second. And that just keeps going on until it makes a square, and then you would have to, I guess, rotate it to turn a different direction to make the other square.
And then how does what you're learning in math about transformations apply to solving this problem?
It applies to this problem because to make the grid, you would have to make it go in a square, but then you would have to make it rotate to go on a different track for the other square, and you'd have to make it rotate on the origin, which would be the center of the square, for 4 times, so you make each square. So yeah.
Okay.